Kansas Kitty, and I send you the warmest welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been curious what folks' houses look like from the inside? Like, where is she actually filming from? So I am always. I love interiors. I love houses. And my son just totally shot this candid, raw video, beds unmade, pictures haven't been hung, things are not in place, things are messy of our house. And I thought, hey, let me just push it out there just so you have an idea in case you're interested. So if you are curious about my home, keep on watching.
Addressing the stage once again, and some of the points to what he made, this is his second or third time addressing the public today, is that small businesses and nonprofits could very quickly have disaster loans available to them. A lot of these businesses, nonprofits have had to close their doors with the COVID-19 crisis.
And there you have it. There's our home, sweet little home. A lot of you have already been asked to work remotely from home during this cray time of this coronavirus, COVID-19. Some of your cities have already enforced curfews, and hopefully none of you have been forced into quarantine, but maybe some of you have. So I just wanted to kind of push out a very brief, quick little video to say, embrace it in whatever crazy way you can. Embrace the moment. This is history. This is history in the writing. And hold on to your loved ones. We're gonna make it through this. Sending you much love, and stay happy and healthy as we keep pressing forward like we always do. Take care.